You know, like when you see a tramping street, you know before you get there what they're going to smell like, don't you? Hello, I'm Mr. Chinnery. This is how to make a simple chicken fried rice. So what we've got is rice, fish sauce, oil, soy sauce, chilies, turmeric, salt and pepper, all mixed into one. Chopped up mange too. Don't call them mangy twats because apparently that's not French. Mushrooms, 2 whole eggs, 1 small chopped onion, 1 small chopped green pepper, some peas, because I like peas, garlic and ginger paste, sprunions, chicken marinated in fish sauce, soy sauce, chilies, and a little bit of tarragon. I always take a minute to say tarragon because it's respect for tarragon. Like a minute silence, but less because it's not a person. Right. So you start with oil, onions, ooh, sizzle. So once again, this is how we cook egg fried rice. We tend to call it dirty fried rice, but not to its face because it gets offended. And what you have to do is make sure that everything's not overcooked by the end of it. So that's marinated in fish sauce, soy sauce, chili and tarragon. And you cook it a bit. And the reason why we do these videos fast and loose is so you can see how long it actually takes to cook something. As long as you're prepared. I've got a friend who works in a Chinese restaurant and he's just gone 7 days without cooking. He had a week off work. So as you can smell, it's already smelling lovely. I use a female chicken for obvious reasons. Well, I'm not making cock over, am I? Oh. So with the marinade, that starts cooking the chicken already because it's been there for about an hour. So it's like a bit like a steak tartare or that fish thing where they put vinegar on it. Can't remember what it's called. Vinegary chicken and fish. Meats and cheeses always please us. Right, so then we put the turmeric and the salt and pepper in. Then the egg. And get your egg to an almost semi-cooked omelette. And we have had comments on the videos. Don't talk about them. Rice. What you do with the rice is cook it the day before. Because otherwise it's too soggy and it goes to mush. And if you don't believe me, you know where Google is. So as straight away, it's starting to get there, isn't it, James? It is. But then give that a minute. Bit of fish sauce, bit of soy sauce. This is where the dirty bit comes from. And your mushrooms. And your peppers. And your garlic and ginger paste. I don't recommend using garlic and ginger paste for putting wallpaper up. I'd like to say I haven't tried it, but I can't. That smells really nice. You smell it?
It's nice.
It does smell, actually does smell nice.
Yeah, it smells lovely. You can see how it smells.
Can you see how it smells, James says? You know, like when you see a tramping street, you know before you get there what they're going to smell like, don't you? This doesn't smell like a tramping street. It smells like a fine Asian princess in a jacuzzi, drinking sake. Looks like that though, doesn't it? So James and Marcy are going to try it at the end, which will be nice. So we've also almost then got the whole team on camera. My wife, whose name is obviously Mrs. Chinnery, will actually be doing a cooking video at some point when life allows it. Chilies. Not too much. Don't be daft. I know you can't see me, I just like talking to it. Garden peas. Peas from the garden. Sorry, James. I've not put many in. Does smell nice.
Doesn't look right without it.
Does smell nice, doesn't it? When I said I were doing this, James said, why is it easy? Because it's easy. I went, no, because not everyone will cook themselves egg fried rice at home that looks like this. Does look banging.
It's banging that.
Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm going to nip out for 3 hours, and when I come back it'll be ready. Only joking. Oh, Mr. Chinnery, you're so funny. Please come do my wedding and tell jokes about talking to ducks and stuff. No. And unbelievably, it's done. What I'm going to do, I'm going to dish it up 2 ways like they do on MasterChef. So, chicken fried rice 2 ways. This is if you're somewhere dead posh, look. Ooh, Mr. Chinnery, you've been to a college once. They won't let me back in. So that is a nice portion of egg fried rice. And then, if you come to Mr. Chinnery's, 5 Breeze Station Road, Redcar. Don't know why I laughed. We do takeaway if needed. Which looks like food from Lost Boys, but not people. There you go. So guys, what do you think?
Very nice.
Ooh, Mr. Chinnery.
I like it.
Yeah, that's banging that.
Yeah, it's got different tune.
It's the same. It's the same. What are you looking at?
All right. I'll take it out. Take it out your wages.
Now like and subscribe if you want me to get paid.
I'll subscribe, Pluto.
Go on then, what do you rate it out of 10? compared to other egg fried rice you've had?
8.5.
That'll do.
8.5 out of 10.
That'll do.
That'll do. That'll do nicely. Mr. Cherry. Done it again now.